number one. Trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Yeah, people, so Jada Kingdom was on her live and she was complaining about her lace wig. She got a lace wig installed. It's not by a regular hairdresser, them I should say. And she was pleased with it. And on top of that, it cost $700 people, $700 US because Atlanta she there right now, right? So, me's not a man who know a lot about lace wig. So, I don't know if it look good or not, but she said it look good. She said it lift up. But I have the video for sure so you can see and tell me if you don't agree or not. At least the ladies them may attack, right? Because them would know. And the ladies them wear wig, you would know. The hairdresser them. I'm sure I have some hairdresser up on the page, right? So I'm going to show you what she deal with and you can tell me down in the comment section. So here's the first part of the live.
People imagine, you know. Blood clot, imagine. Maybe book somebody for come do my ear today. Come here, photo shoot tomorrow, you know. And I post do my ear already, and I'm doing my ear already. So I'm say alright, cool, is everything fine? It's alright, cool. So I can do my ear again, fine. The last time he charged me, I was for $267. I'm say alright, cool. That's a regular sitting in a jar, $267. But the pussy go tell me say. The reason why I charge me $267 is because somebody else wig in the put on is all wig in the put on. So me say alright, cool, then me understand whatever. Fuck with that thing. I'm say alright, cool, fine. Me have look money for that show that day. Then me say alright, cool, pay him do something, whatever, fine. And did have a look of him did cool, blood clot, right? Fine, no. Me done after that story, you know. To the number call person come to me here. A theme wig, brand new wig. Remember, they tell me say if I did all wig me use, in that charge me more money, right? Remember, they tell me say if I all wig me use, in that charge me more money. But me say alright, fine, me use theme wig, the new wig. I'm say alright, cool, whatever. So it gonna be less money, don't it? It be less than the 200 me look like me a butter. Alright, fine. Alright, here done everything cool. We all take shot at what is the name? The liquor name Casamigos. We take shot at Casamigos and everything. I would have vibe. I don't know say when they run me liquor for drink, weed up smoke and music for play vibes. Did it? Alright, cool. Anyway, no. What we don't know. I'm not gonna tell me say $500 for install and then $200 for sitting there for travel fee. So the world stop.
Yeah, people, so no hear what she has said. She said she used the hairdresser, contrary to what I said, that she on her regular hairdresser, even though on her regular hairdresser, but she worked with him before. It's a him too, by the way. You see me? So she has said the first time she worked with him charged $200 because it was already a used wig, but this is a brand new wig now and a theme wig, and him want $700. Now in our next part now, Jada go tell you now if she want to pay it or not. So I go play the next part for you. I want to hear what Jada say. One thing I know still Jada not easy. See me I say, but big up Twinkle. So here is the next part. Here goes.
I'm look at my son sitting and say, you know my dance it. But anyway, you know. It's like he never understand, he never resonated at him. So me tell you if you want, can you not get it? Me not, me sorry. You have to go scan on me on the neck, me not get it, you know? I swear you not get it. I'm looking to myself, I say, I wonder if I'm going to really blood clot. I mean, $500 and $200 for travel fee. So, you know, me wonder if I rang sitting and give me, you know, I rang, amount and give me, I can probably that talk to somebody else or sitting nice. But anyway, when me take a stack and look, the side of the blood clot list, I lift up my foot to tomorrow, but they charge me $500 for Installment. Look what the side of the both sides lifting up. Both sides are fly like plane. Look at it. Look like me a butt, so. I don't know my mother going to attack. My dog going to attack. I swear the more, no, words are surrounded on more, I don't even know over fucking control it. Like, I'm so vexed. Like, ooh! I'm telling you, I'm still alright, cool, the boy cool and everything over there, chilling and vibe and whatever, you know. And bear in mind, so I have in my mind, say, I feel with me how you so I could be less money, right? I could be less money. So I say, alright, cool, because last time I charged me $267, you know. And I say, the only reason why I charge me so much money is because I wig my reinstall. So I say, okay then. Next time I gonna use your wig, them blood clot. What a fool me is, dope. Me never know some idiot. So now I'm just there, look.
Here she said the wig a lift up, and then she has said, boy, she get confused because she think it would have cost less than the first time, being that she used film product and thing versus from the reinstallment. Right? Me personally don't know how that go, but when you hear for yourself, when you tell me what you think about that down in the comment section. She also did say she go up on YouTube and learn how to do her own installment, which we say she did before with the iron and thing. You remember that night there? You see what I say? But she said she go learn to do her own thing, so she not have to run into these kind of problems again. But now, people, she go take off the head tie and show we what she a talk about. She get close up in the camera, so no one can see what she a complain about. Here goes.
People, the part I lean, I never lie to you yet, I never lie from a band. When since my tongue lied, I never lie from a band. I never lie from a little. I never lie from a little. See lace there fly, see the right the sun of me lift it up, come on photo shoot tomorrow and have time for waste. I not lie, see it there. The nuts them never bleach, you not see the one bag a bump, 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 bump. Them it don't invisible, it don't seamless. What you mean? Lace for plant in a head front. That not planted? That not planted? It no plant. It no plant. Me not ask you. Me stiff in my own item. What you mean? And yesterday I born. Me not born yesterday. My ear not just a do. My ear not just a do. Me used to lace. And this supposed to be the good lace. So, oh. Explain it. Demonstrate it. Me need an example. Me need an example. Demonstrate it to me. Come, I don't understand. No, sir. People, when I never tell no lie, you look on one bag of bump, watch one bag of pepper seed them in my head. When you see pepper seed them, they not even bleach, no little baby ear, no nothing, no little taste, no little flavor, no little splat, no little splat. I'm gonna tell verse, my verse, like I tell me, say, you know what, just pay man, just cut him off. Cause me know nobody calling him for me. They're not gonna call it today. They're gonna call my name today. They're gonna say I broke tonight because I'm not paying it. I'm not paying for it, so I promise. I'm not paying. Promise. I'm gonna say, oh, pay. Oh, he was like 200 travel. 200 travel fee or 500 of the install.
Yeah, people, so now here Jada says she not pay feet, but in the end she did end up pay feet because she post back on her story and she had this to say. Hairstylists are fix things with everything. My happy now, sometimes you just have to make noise. She go on to say, I want to do purple ear next. And then she say, today just a bad day, I guess. So, I'm glad that she get it sorted out because she says she have a photo shoot today. So, you know what I mean? I'm glad for you say everything good. But people, I want to think about the video, want to just watch about her hairstyle. You know what I mean? The way she react to it. And the biggest thing of all, the $700, because me don't know people that $700 for hairstyle. I know a hairstyle expensive. Me hear these ladies talk about the lace wigs all the while and then cost upwards of $400. But you know what I mean? That a plus installation and then travel fee and all them something there for the hairdresser, and I don't know. You saw me I say, wouldn't tell me what know about it down in the comment section, right? So people, that's it for today. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, on a big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.